Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Voyager Rod Full Guide, easy method. Start by opening the starport map and pinpointing the vendor NPC location, then fast travel if available. Approach the stall, open the inventory menu, and filter by weapon type to find the Voyager Rod faster. Confirm the price and reputation requirement before buying, and prepare any necessary currency to complete the transaction without delays. Make sure you have enough credits and any permits needed to purchase the Voyager Rod, and clear inventory slots to avoid post-purchase headaches. Increase standing with the vendor faction by completing quick missions or turning in trade goods to unlock better stock. Also check your ship or character loadout limits so you can equip the rod immediately, avoiding extra trips back to town or storage terminals after the buy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and enjoy a fresher commute while you hunt for loot. You'll find the link and other deals in the description, so check them out when you get a chance. Now let's get back to the video. When you find the Voyager Rod, look for discounts, tokens, or seasonal vendor deals to lower the cost and get better value. Carefully inspect the rod's stats, mods, and any random rolls, comparing them to your current weapon to ensure the upgrade is worthwhile. Always make a manual save before finalizing the purchase so you can reload if the roll or price is not what you expected, saving time and credits in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.